Welcome back to Lisbon. Today we leave the ancient hills of Alfama for the grand uniformity of Baixa, the heart of the city's rebirth. This is the Praça do Comércio, a monumental gateway built on the ruins of the royal palace destroyed in the 1755 earthquake. At its center stands King José I, overlooking a square designed to signal Lisbon's shift towards global commerce and trade. The grand triumphal arch of Rua Augusta frames the entrance to the city's most elegant pedestrian boulevard. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Walking north, we find Rocio Square. Its wavy pavement, or calçada portuguesa, creates a dizzying optical illusion underfoot. For centuries, this has been Lisbon's social hub, a place of public trials, executions, and now, vibrant local life. Dominating the square is the statue of Pedro IV, the first emperor of Brazil and a beloved Portuguese king. Don't forget to stop for a ginginha, the traditional sour cherry liqueur that has been served here since 1840. Connecting the low town with the hills of Chiado is the Santa Justa lift, a marvel of 20th century iron engineering. Designed by a student of Gustave Eiffel, this vertical street provides a shortcut with a view like no other. Its intricate Gothic details glow beautifully at night, standing as a testament to Lisbon's industrial elegance. Stepping off the lift, we enter Chiado, the bohemian heart of Lisbon's writers, poets, and artists. Looming over Chiado are the ruins of the Carmo convent, a haunting memorial to the 1755 earthquake. Unlike the rest of the city, these arches were never rebuilt, left open to the sky to honor the tragedy. Today, it houses an archaeological museum, preserving treasures from across Portugal's long history. Chiado remains the center of Lisbon's intellectual life, where the past and present blend in every cafe. From the meticulously planned grid of Baixa to the romantic ruins of Chiado, this area is the city's pulse. It's a place where resilience is built into the very stones, showing a city that always knows how to rise. As the sun sets over the grand plazas, we prepare for the final leg of our journey. This concludes part 2. Join us in part 3 as we visit the historic monuments of Belém on the riverfront. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.